Let's get the party started, guys. Really do appreciate the fill. This is Austin coming live with US Soccer Breaks, gotbaseballcards.com from Loganville, Georgia. Really do appreciate the fill, guys. Thank you. Before we get started, though, if you haven't done so yet, please make sure you check us out on our Facebook page, facebook.com/gotbaseballcards, also on the web at gotbaseballcards.com. Got a bunch of stuff on eBay, too, guys. Over 600,000 listings on eBay, everything from singles, graded cards, boxes, you name it, vintage, modern, a little bit of everything. So you guys be sure you check it out. It's pretty impressive, actually. And also, too, guys, right there below, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get notified every time we go live. We're really trying to make a strong push to get 1,000 subscribers, guys. We can't go live from a mobile device until we do, so if you guys would subscribe, that would really help us out. And also, to hit the like button down there. That really helps us out with YouTube as well. And if you guys are here and you're looking for Soccer Breaks specifically, be sure you request to join the Facebook group, US Soccer Breaks. That's where you get all the action, join in all the fun, and grab your teams and your players. Trying to get PYT number 5 going, guys. Probably going to have to add a giveaway for that one, but I will set up the filler soon for that one. It's going to have the big boys in it. It's going to have Liverpool, Arsenal, and Tottenham in the filler. Also, too, guys, 5-case black gold with a Pele jersey giveaway. Closest to 99 will get that. And from that break, 5 cases. Great prices, best prices you're going to find on black gold. But also, we're filling a Donruss as well. Donruss 2018-19, guys. I'm trying to fill that one. Also, too, on Instagram, that's where we post up all the fresh new hits, so you can see all the sick hits that we pull from the breaks. All of these cards are cards that we pulled, so be sure you check it out. Follow us. We would greatly appreciate it. Some pretty cool stuff on there. I don't think you're going to want to miss. Alright, first up we got this final filler to do for the FOTL 8. We had the remaining teams. So we're going to have 5 winners, but you're going home with something. No one goes home empty-handed. So I'm going to take this list here, and we're going to go over to our random. We're going to re-roll Snake Eyes, otherwise go with it. Wow, going the distance. Going the distance 12 times on the random, guys. Good luck. That's 12 times. 1, 2, 9, 10, 11, and again going 12. 12th and final. Good luck. Wow, Timmy P on top, Nick on bottom. Timmy P on top, Nick on bottom. That is on 12 times, guys. There it is. Congrats, Timmy. You come away with Tottenham. Let's get them copied over here. Oops, can't forget that one. There it was. 1 ended up in 1. Nobody wanted the 1 spot. No love for the 1 spot. Took away Tottenham. Congrats, Timmy. You got Tottenham. JX, you got the Wolves. Nick, you got Everton. Luong, you got Crystal Palace. Carrie, you came in with Sheffield. Sorry, Chris, man. Both your spots came in the World Cup packs. I'll give you a few extra packs, Chris, for those. Then JX, you also got 3 of the World Cup packs. Timmy, you came away with 3 packs. And then Nick, you got the black gold box, hobby box. Congrats, Nick. All right, guys, and that does it. Let's get this party started. Let's see, we need some more of these. Let's see, I got to line up. Let's go over here with let's do this over here. There we go. That's better. Alright, Okay, six boxes. Sick half case. Good luck, everyone. It didn't count. All right, guys. First box. Good luck. John Joe. Zimmerman. Tell you what, Norwich killed it last time. See if they're gonna have another roll here. Zimmerman. How is everybody doing tonight? Everybody doing good? Fireworks. James MacArthur. Alright, it's not focusing like I wanted to. Aaron Cresswell. Purple. Still got PYT Hobby number 5 going, guys. Set up a filler, maybe like one or two more teams gone. We'll be good to go on that one. Jan, Valerie, Raul Jimenez for the Wolves. All right, nothing there. Nothing there. Actually, and then we got Southampton, Oriole. It's purple. There's those shimmers. Goodmanson. And then how about for Bournemouth? Dominique. Blue. Where's our shimmers? Raul Raul Jimenez, and then Kieran Trippier. In the Hotspur uniform. And then I'm on fundamentals West Ham. Fabianski. Billy Sharp for Sheffield United. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Come on, give us a monster. You got Tossin. Good luck. I don't know what that is. Whoa. Alright, here we go. Rip it off. Is it flashback? Nope. Alright, here we go, guys. Nope. There it is. Liverpool. Killing it still, man. Tell you what. Is it going to be another Liverpool 6 boxes? How about Alisson? You got along, man. Another Alisson. 2 in a row. LSC. There you go, buddy. Already off to a start. Scores Club, Lacazette. Tell you what. Is it really going to be? Oh, there we go. A little Manchester United. Good luck, Nick. There we go. How about a little Alexis Sanchez? Good, Nick, man. No problem, man. Thank you. Already starting off. Alexis Sanchez for Man U. Put these over here. Okay, that's a little Willie Raleigh. Alisson again. Made it worse. And Arsenal Nacho. Need some Arsenal love for Kevin. Not been a good one. Lucas and then Freeman. Fireworks. And how about another one for Arsenal? Lucas. Ben Chinwell and Philippe Anderson. Tell you what, still have not pulled a black yet. Eric Bailey. We got robbed of all the blacks. There we go. Raheem Sterling. Wow. Got a gold. Who's it going to be? I think I know who it is. Yep, West Ham. How about Aaron Cresswell? There you go, Takako. Seven of 10. Aaron Cresswell. Eric Bailey. Who's he going to be? Wow. It's going to be that guy? Oh, I thought it was going to be Hurst. How about Jack Wilshere for West Ham? Another one for Takako. I don't think I've seen that guy yet. Jack Wilshere. Let's do this over here. Well, there you go. Could it be? Well, it's Watford this time. How about Christian Cabaselli? Rookie card. Watford is going to Mark. There you go, Mark. Three of 8. Close Benjamin Mendy. 75. Fundamentals Chelsea, Conte, and then Gerard Deulofeu for Watford. Trippier. Alexis Sanchez, and then Oliver Norwood. Come on, we need a big boom. The biggest hit we've got, I think, is auto-wise. Cantona Shimmer. I think that's the biggest one we've hit. We've done that well. Legendary Talents Cristiano. Jack Cork for Burnley. Mesut Ozil, Emergent for Lewin. Marcus Rashford, and then Anthony Martial. Jose. Fundamentals, Jack Court. And then Lewis Dunk for Brighton. James Chester and Jack Cork again. Sergio Aguero. That's what I thought it was. How about Raul Jimenez? Nice. Haven't seen that one yet. Wolves doing it again. Going to JX. JX, man. Raul, I haven't seen that one yet. It's hot in here. Fireworks. Let's see what we got here. Uh-oh. I think we might have a logo, guys. Covered up by a Fireworks Merez. There we go. There we go. How about an Arsenal? Boom. There you go, Kevin Mack, man. Finally got him something. Boom. Sick. Very, very nice. You're Kevin, man. I don't know if you got one of those yet or not, but pretty sick. Arsenal logo. 3 of 8. Oh, good luck, good luck. And Bernardo Silva, Man City. Legendary Talents, then Shane Duffy. Also going back to Brighton. Shimmer. Hector Bellerin. Andrew Robertson. Who's it going to be? Wow. We'll get another Harry Kane. Well, going to Timmy in the random. Good luck, Timmy. Toby Wilder. I don't know how to say his name. Toby. There you go, Timmy. Not the Erickson or Kane we're looking for, but not bad. Tottenham hitting again, guys. They have been on fire. Let's see if they can keep it going. And then Shimmer. What we got here? Going to Leicester. Kasper Schmeichel. Nice. There you go, Derek. Kasper Schmeichel. Not a bad one. 6 of 8. Focus is not doing good tonight. No problem, Derek. Thank you, man. Appreciate you, bud. Zaha. Steve Cook. Bournemouth. 99. 90 or 62 of 99. 82 of 99. Jamie Vardy. Emergent Antonio. Paul, Michael Owen, huh? Yeah, I don't even know if I've seen one of those. DeAndre for Newcastle. Yebis Basuma for Brighton. Tell you what, again, Barcelona had me in a scare today. I don't know what they were doing out there. Oh, what's up, man? Ruben Neves. John Egan. 2 more boxes after this, guys. Jeffrey Schultz and then Lacazette. Back to Arsenal. Matthew Ryan, Rashid for Leicester. Oh, what is this? What is this? Looks like we got a color blast, guys, I think. Pretty sure. Aubameyang. Alright. I think it's a color blast. Alright, guys, good luck, good luck. Give me somebody sick. Gray. Or Gray. No, Gray going to Leicester. And Derek. There you go, Derek, man. Damari Gray. Leicester. Nice. Good Derek, man. Going for Leicester. Damari Gray. That's sick. Love the color burst. That is a nice set. Really, Paul? I didn't know that. Yeah, I'm learning a lot of these guys, actually. I mainly keep up with La Liga. You know, being a messy guy. I'm learning them, though. That's all that matters. Alright, guys. 2 boxes left. Good luck. Right on top here. Alright, which way are we going? This way. There we go. That's what we like to see. Come on, one time. Give me a Ronaldo. Man, Mateo Darmian. Just got Nick on the board. It's not what we were hoping for. Mateo Darmian. Delefeu. Wow. Going back to the random. Come on, give me a Harry Kane. Come on. Trippier. Nice. Not a bad one. Tottenham killing it again. In the random. Still getting hits. Trippier. There you go, Timmy. That's going to be 6 of 8. Kieran Trippier. Lucas and then Freeman for Sheffield. Anthony Martial. Now Matinho. Eric Dyer. Emergent. Then Fabian for West Ham. Undeniable. And then Chicharito for West Ham. Lacazette and Baldock. Leroy Sané and Robbie Brady. Burnley. Jamal Lewis, and then Jurgen. So for Brighton. Squash Club Southampton, Bournemouth, Callum Wilson. Alright guys, one box left. Good luck, especially those that haven't hit yet. Right there. Alright, last one. Good luck. One insert pack. Cesar, and then Pascal. Teti, and then Mateo. Ramu. And then Bournemouth, David Brooks, excuse me. Mkhitaryan, MacArthur. Good luck, guys. Let's see what we got here. Danny Rose. Good luck, guys. Nope, not going that way. It's going this way. Alright, going to Leicester. Wow. Leicester City, Gordon Banks. Wow. There you go, Derek, man. Excuse me. Derek just killed that one. Gordon Banks. Nice one there. Congrats, Derek. I think I want to say I pulled one for West Ham for him. Does he have West Ham autos as well? Maybe that was Jeff Hurst. Club Legends, Gordon Banks. Pretty sick. Leicester City. Congrats, Derek, man. Congrats. Sorry to the big boys. Man, tell you what, that's some tough product for the big boys. Wolves. How about Jota? Diego. Wolves is going to JX. Go JX, man. I'll tell you what. It's been some sad FOTL boxes, guys. We've had some good stuff, but not like I was expecting. Right. Eric Dyer, and then Jonic for Southampton. 3 packs left. Denny and Derek. No problem, man. Thank you, Derek. Kasper Schmeichel and John for Southampton. Number 25. That's going to be 18 of 25. Oops. Yellow card. Alright, last pack. And that does it, guys. Joshua King of Bournemouth. That does it. Oops. Alright, guys, recap time. Recap for 6-box break PYT number 8. First up, we had the Blues. Bernardo Silva, Lewis Dunk, Lacazette, David Brooks, Colin Wilson, little Chicharito action. Raul Jimenez, Billy Sharp, Jack Cork, Delafeu, Duffy, Freeman, Joshua King, and Yannick. And then from there, how about Aaron Cresswell, Ramu, Nacho, Anthony Martial, Steve Cook, Jurgen, Alisson, Benjamin Mendy, Norwood, Yes, Rashid, Robbie Brady, Mason, John, 1 to 10, Aaron Cresswell. And then the Shimmers, we have one for Watford, Christian, rookie card, Kasper Schmeichel for Leicester. Leicester killing it. Jota for the Wolves. And then autograph Matteo Darmian for Manchester United. And then from there we had a nice one here. Kieran Trippier for the Spurs. And then we had Alexis Sanchez for Manchester United. And let's see, let's get these here. And then other autographs, we had Toby Alderweireld, Jack Wilshere, Raul Jimenez, and another one for Liverpool. Got that guy again, Alisson. And where to go from there? Let's go to Color Blast. Also for Leicester. And Derek. There you go, Derek, man. Damari Gray. And then, well, Leicester just kept on keeping on. Gordon Banks. Club Legends. Sick one there. All on sticker. There you go, Derek, man. Congrats. Yeah, that is a sick one. That's going to be super short print. That's the first one I think we've pulled. Gordon Banks, Club Legends. And finally, at least you didn't go empty-handed, Kevin. At least we got you that one. Arsenal team logo. Shimmer, numbered to 8. It's going to be 3 of 8. There you go, Kevin Mack. Congrats, man. Alright, guys, that does it for number 8.